Hi! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is tuning in tonight. Today. Wala
Oo,
na akong
kasi
oras.
iba-iba tayong
Oo,
time zones.
basta. Tuning into this episode kahit napadaan lang. Hello, hello. Salamat sa inyo. And to those who are gonna watch us in the replay, hello, hello sa inyo. So welcome to Weekend Bites, your go-to weekend guide for digital business and more. My name is Luville. I'm a mom of two young kids. I'm based here in Alberta, Canada, where it is now 10:08 p.m. I am an admin professional and also a digital entrepreneur for going 4 years now. Ladies.
Yes, hello everyone. I'm very excited to be here kasi nagkaroon tayo ng month-long break pa. And I'm super excited as well for our special episode today. But anyway, I'm Ayin. I'm from the Philippines. So iba-iba kami time zones today. Former finance professional. Now I'm a wife, a digital entrepreneur, and a stay-at-home mom of my 5-year-old daughter.
Yeah. Hello from the other side of the world. Good morning from the Middle East. My name is Liz and I'm coming to you live from Dubai. It's 8:09 in the morning of anong araw ba ngayon? Saturday, May
Yeah.
27.
Oo.
Yeah, and so my husband and I are here in the UAE for more than 15 years now. So we are OFWs. We are both we are both working in retail. I'm a retail planning professional, a cat mom, and a digital business owner for almost 3 years now. Hello, hello, and thank you for joining us today.
Ayan. I am so excited kasi hindi pa tapos ang month of May naman and hindi pa tapos ang ating Mother's Day special. So for this episode, we are joined by two mompreneurs, mga Pinoy din na mga mompreneurs. Isa ay isang employed full-time, isa naman stay-at-home mom. But we will bring them in to let them share more about themselves. Hold on. Hi, Annie.
Hi. So it's my first time here. So my name is Annie Hundana. I'm from the Philippines and I'm a wife and a mom of a 2-year-old daughter. So currently I'm a stay-at-home mom, but I used to work in a financial industry for almost 18 years. Now I'm a proud digital business owner.
I didn't know 18
18
years.
years? Wow.
Oo.
Yes.
Ayan. Hold on. We have another special mom joining us. Hi,
Hello,
Christine.
hello. Hi, good morning. Hi, my name is Christine. It's also my first time. Um, I'm a full-time employee dito po sa Dubai, and I'm a mother of two. Um, I have an 11-year-old son. His name is Johan, but he's currently in the Philippines. At ang daughter ko naman si Kay, nandito siya sa amin sa Dubai. She's 6 years old. So I'm a full-time employee. I work as an admin professional and a part-time digital business owner.
Ayan.
Yes.
Hello,
Thank you,
kabayan.
Mom Cheese.
Hello.
Oy, oo nga pala. Pareho kayong UAE.
Yes, kabayan. Mga
Thank
kabayan.
you for joining us in this episode, no? Hindi tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy, no? First question for Mommy Christine. Can you share with us, ano ba yung itsura ng iyong day-to-day? A day in the life of a full-time employed mom and a business owner. Paano yung balance? Paano mo na-juggle ang mga bagay-bagay?
So since I'm a full-time employee, I work 5 times a week. So I'm off on weekends. I'm
Yes.
really lucky because marami dito sa UAE ang 1 day off lang. So I'm kind of blessed sa part na yan, thank God. Malayo yung office ko. It's in the other side of Dubai. So ang biyahe ko, one way is 1.5 hours. So 3 hours na agad yung biyahe ko papunta at pabalik.
Parang
Yeah,
Pilipina.
going to work and pabalik.
Walang traffic yun,
So, I ride the metro. So walang traffic pero it's kind of crowded. And so I leave at 6:30 a.m. Tulog pa yung daughter ko. And pagbalik ko 6:30 p.m. na. alam mo yun, I get to see her na lang sa camera kasi mino-monitor ko din siya. And I'm lucky because currently my husband is not working. So he's kind of hands-on sa bahay and sa daughter namin. So pagdating ko at 6:30, may dinner na. So we oo, kakain na kami together. So yun na yung time ko to so even if his hands-on, of course we share responsibilities pa din. So pagdating ko ng bahay, yun na yung chance ko to take care of Kay. So ipe-prepare ko yung food niya and sometimes I feed her because it takes forever for her to finish her food. And after nun, papaliguan ko siya or depende, depende or half bath or something. Basta ipiprepare ko siya for bed. And after that, I only get to, allot time for my business. So it's around 8:30 to 9. Then I work around like 2 hours every day. So that's during work days. So mga 2 hours, matatapos ako ng mga, depende 10:30 to 11. I cannot stay longer kasi si Kay, hindi siya matutulog nang wala ako sa tabi niya.
Kailangan
So,
katabi.
oo, kailangan katabi. So, minsan pag nag-overtime ako, like I get to work on something, magsi-stay up din siya. So, pare-parehas kaming
Puyat kayo
mapupuyat.
pareha.
Oo. Kaya nililimit ko siya. There are times lang talaga na minsan na past 11, gano'n. Pero usually more or less 2 hours lang talaga yung sinispend ko every workday. On weekends, dun ako bumabawi because I have on Saturdays, we wake up late pambawi kasi I wake up very early during
Siyempre.
oo, pag may
Same here.
trabaho. So, I cook breakfast at ako naman yung taya nun. And ayun, after that, we get to spend time together. Sometimes we watch a movie. Sometimes we call my son Johan back home, our family back home. And there are times din na kasi online school si Kay. So minsan din naman ina-assist ko siya sa mga worksheets niya na mga pending. So during weekends lang ako may longer hours for business kasi afternoon sa hapon, usually yun na yung time ko, mga 3-4 hours akong makakapagtrabaho sa business ko. Tapos ayun, konting chores, I clean up, laundry, and in the afternoon or late afternoon, minsan dinadala namin siya sa park or may trampoline kasi dito na malapit sa amin. So, yun din yung time na makapag-bonding kami. And then sa gabi, ayun, balik na naman akong spend ng time sa business. And ang favorite namin is Sundays because we get to go to church and she really enjoys doing arts and crafts sa Sunday school. Kaya yun yung favorite part namin. Oo. And after that, makakapag-ano na naman ako sa business sa afternoon. So, finding balance between being an employee, a working mom, and doing business, it's medyo challenging siya. Pero of course, we are moms, so they call us super moms. So we get to manage our time and be flexible din. Kasi minsan naman may nagwo-work sa mga ginagawa natin, yung routine. Minsan naman may biglang may hindi nagwo-work. So I'm being flexible lang din. And when something doesn't go as planned, so nag-a-adjust. And don't be afraid to ask for help din. Minsan I ask my husband for extra help pag may gagawin ako. I ask him to like do something for Kate kahit ako na yung taya kasi I have to do something for my business din. And also don't don't forget to insert self-care into your routine kahit gaano kaliit, like I don't know, eating one fruit a day or drinking a lot of water or maybe walking ng 10 minutes. For me, ang self-care routine ko is a relaxing warm bath. Kaya ayun, oo,
Nice.
para makapag-distress, makapag-isip-isip. Baliw na yung parang time for myself. Can you relate,
Mm.
guys?
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
Oo.
Minsan
Ano
nga
siya,
yung ideas mo sa shower lumalabas, di ba? Pag nasa shower,
Kaya
dami mong ideas. Dami
totoo.
content ideas, add
Kaya
ideas.
nga. Kaya
mm,
I spend more than like 30 minutes sa ano, whenever nasa banyo, maliligo, magsha-shower.
That's nice.
kaya kailangan
Yeah, so
ano,
that's my routine.
well rested, no?
Sorry, Ail?
Kailangan din ano, well rested.
Oo,
Kasi kahit
oo, totoo.
parents tayo, di ba, I can imagine how hectic your days are, especially since you're also employed. And tama yung sinabi mo talaga kanina, di ba, yung being a mom it's a job of a superwoman. Yung talagang, kahit hindi ka superwoman, mapipilitan ka talaga maging superwoman.
Totoo.
Maganda yung sinabi mo din, natulungan din talaga kayo ng husband mo. Kasi
Yes, yes.
really won't work, sa totoo lang.
Mm.
And kasi ano you really need to commit yourself, and most importantly, dapat magaling ka sa time management. Of course, we have
Totoo.
a lot of hats to wear, di ba? Meron
Exactly.
wife tayo, mom, and also business owner, employee, di ba? And you just need to know what your priorities are, because if not, ma-overwhelm ka talaga. So,
Very true.
ang dami nating ginagawa. But yun. So, ayun. Thank you dun, Christine. And so far
Yes.
naman, for Annie naman, I would like to know, since also you're a mompreneur, what do you think are the
Yes.
things that moms need to consider when deciding into venturing into a business, knowing that ganito ka-hectic yung schedule nating mga moms?
Ayan. Actually, there are a lot of factors to consider, pero siguro I'll mention three. So, yung first is developing a strong mindset and purpose. So, di ba, when we start a business, sabi nga nila, success doesn't happen overnight. So, otherwise, di ba, parang ano yan, get rich quick scheme, di ba? So it's not always sunshine and rainbows. There will be a lot of challenges along the way. That's why parang tingin ko important na we need to develop a strong mindset and to know our whys for doing this business. Kasi this will keep us going. Tsaka it will create an emotional and mental foundation as we go through the entrepreneurial journey. Yan. And then the next factor would be to have time management strategies. So actually na-mention na ni Ayin, sabi nga, di ba, we wear different hats in a day. Di ba sabay-sabay pa minsan. Sometimes as a mom, as a wife, as a professional at work. Yeah, I think it is vital na we have an efficient time management skills para we know which one to prioritize first. Tapos, yan, gaya nga, hindi tayo ma-overwhelm or hindi tayo nasa-stress out. Yan. And then for the last factor, it would be to have a strong support network. So starting with our families, di ba tayo, we have kids at home, so na-mention din ni Christine, di ba, sometimes even if our business allows us to work with our families and our kids, it is also important na we have someone to help us watch over our kids para we can focus on our business. Yan, yung husband natin, pag work time natin to work for our business, sila muna magbantay sa kids. Kasi kagaya sa akin, parang, mommy, mommy, mommy. Hindi ako nakaka-focus din minsan. So, it is, dyan din pumapasok yung mga husbands natin or other family members. Tapos, at the same time, I think it is also vital to have supportive, like-minded, supportive network of like-minded moms in the business kasi they can provide you with guidance, advice, emotional support, tsaka mentorship. Yan. So, those are the three factors for me.
Nako naman. Oo. Ano yan, ganyan din talaga yung, ako speaking from experience, yan din talaga yung kinonsider namin when we decided to be digital entrepreneurs. Kasi a business, hindi naman yan yung papabayaan mo lang. Of course, we factored in yung mga magagandang features ng business, like it's flexible, like yung kay Christine, she can schedule yung business niya any time of the day, kung kailan ba pwedeng maisingit. So na factor in natin yan, but very important din yung na-mention ni Annie, mindset, yung supportive community, supportive people around you para din ma-support ka to also give time to your business. So yun, thank you, Annie. So before we proceed, basa muna tayo ng ating mga ng mga comments. Let's say hi to our viewers. So first, ayan. Oh,
Yan ang aking super mom.
Hello,
Another super mom.
Hi, and Liz. And ito naman, very supportive din. Oh.
Oo nga eh. Engaged na
Hi,
engaged si
Christian.
Christian.
This is for you.
Thank you, Christian.
Support. Yan yung support.
Yes.
Oh, tamang-tama sa sinabi ni Annie. Okay, Ian din, I really honor you all working moms. You can really juggle everything from home, work, and business. May thumbs up.
Thank
And
you.
sabi niya, my mom is also a working mother as well, and she still has time to take care of us when we were kids. Talagang napakaulirang ina naman, 'di ba? Ng mami din ni Ian. So yun. There. So next, ito ang ating third na katanungan naman. I will give it to Mami Christine again. So ayan, Mami Christine, kanina na-mention din ni Annie yung mga considerations when venturing into this business. Ikaw naman, ano yung parang pinaka-favorite mo na feature nung digital business? Ano yung mas naka-attract sa'yo when you chose this business, digital business?
Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga ay yung flexibility na you can run it, you can run the business at your own pace. Alam mo yung depende siya sa oras mo, depende sa schedule mo. So, wala siyang set schedule ba? So, ikaw magde-decide kung kailan ka magwo-work, kung alam mo yun, kung may mga free time ka na pwede mong isingit. So, it's very flexible. And it's a business on the go, so pwede mo siyang gawin kahit saan ka, kung mag-grocery kayo or I don't know, ihahatid mo yung anak mo sa school, like anywhere. So I really like that feature of the business. And second, yung automation, kasi pag na-set up mo na siya, it runs on autopilot, and you have more time to spend on things that really matter. So mas marami ka ng time para sa pamilya mo, para sa mga anak mo, because naka-ano na siya, nagra-run siya in the background kahit busy ka sa pagiging mom, sa pagiging employee. So I really like the automation part of the business also. So this business is perfect for working moms like me. It's very doable because of those features, being flexible, and because of our automated system.
Favorite talaga
Yes,
yun ng
thank
karamihan,
you.
whether moms or, for us, still, hopefully I will be a mom soon as well.
Yes,
Kasi
amen.
imagine, yung automation
Dreaming
part, nasa work ka, di ba? Pero at the end of the day, you still get business results. Pero kasi if you compare it to the traditional business, if you don't have time because you have other things to do, for example, syempre pag yung mga bata nagkakasakit, either you don't have to go to work or you have to close your shop if you're running a traditional business.
Very
But for
true.
us, diba, especially for you moms, you can look after your kids and you still get results from your business, diba? Which is yun
Yes.
talaga malaking bagay kasi nga the internet never sleeps even if you have to. Kasi
Yes.
diba mga moms,
Yes.
kailangan din ng, diba, ng time for self, yun nga, for other things. Tsaka gusto ko rin sinabi may flexibility, diba? Kasi hindi naman tayo one man, hindi lang naman isang bagay na ginagawa natin. You still have to work, you have to attend to your husband's needs, to your other hobbies and passions as well. So you would want to have the chance na you work on your business at your own time and pace. Diba? Tsaka syempre, iba-iba rin naman tayo ng mga schedule for the day. Iba yung schedule ni Christine, iba yung schedule ni Annie, ni Loville, and ni Ayin. So, you cannot say, okay, dapat 9 to 12 every morning, ito lang talaga yung time for the business, diba? So the fact that you can work it according to your schedule, whether it's in the middle of the day or whether it's pag nap time ng anak mo or whether it's you
Mm-mm.
before your bedtime in the evening, yung mga pockets of time mo talaga, you can work on it productively. Magagamit mo siya. Parang ako nga, ginagawa ko while I'm in the car, while Ian is driving, or while we're sitting in traffic, while nag-grocery,
Yes.
di ba, nagpiping yung mga business inquiries mo. So, it's very flexible. Kaya, even busy moms can do it. So also can you. Yeah.
Yes. Ako,
Correct.
relate ako dun sa, well, hindi ako nagko-commute ng 1.5 hours one way, no? Ang commute ko is 45 minutes. Ganyan, 45 minutes to 1 hour one way. So, yun yung time ko para magkalikot ng Canva, CapCut. So, kung sino man yung titingin sa phone ko, kung may nakatayo sa LRT, ako titingin sa phone ko, makikita niya kung ano pinagagawa ko. Nag-edit, nag-ano. So, pwede talaga, no? It's flexible and it's mobile. Kayang-kayang isingit. Hindi kailangan tuloy-tuloy naman eh.
Mm-mm.
Ayan. So, should we go now to our next question or should we say hi to our, should we read comments first?
Yes. Let's see. Meron tayong comments from Snai Barizo.
Snai Barizo.
Hey, hi, Snai.
Hi,
Hello.
ladies.
Watching from UAE.
And
Hello.
then from Johan.
Oh, it's Johan. Yeah.
Hi.
My son. Hi,
Hi,
Kuya.
Johan!
Thank you for
Go
watching,
Mami.
Kuya.
Go, Mami. Oh, sinispear ka. Oh,
May support system ako.
Ayan. Oo, yan. Dahil napak-sweet naman. Oh, ito. For our fourth question, para Miss Universe. For our fourth question. For Annie first. Okay, what is your biggest learning or discovery about yourself as a wife and as a mom when you became a business owner?
Okay, so for the learnings, I have two. So, first on self-discovery. My journey has been a transformative journey, and I think it continues kasi 'di ba so much learnings. So, I said transformative because I'm able to discover or unlock talents and skills which alam mo yung before akala ko hindi ko kaya pero kaya ko pala. Yung even
Yeah.
yung mga nung nagsa-start tayo with creating our domain, parang uy, kaya ko pala to. Akala ko super technical ganyan. So so much parang hidden talents talaga na nadi-discover natin. Yun, so at the same time, I pa I tend to doubt myself at times, 'di ba? Parang normal naman 'yun na parang hindi ko kaya ganyan. Pero when I became a wife, a mom, and a mompreneur, I've learned that I am a stronger person. Tapos I am capable of doing more. And then taking care of my daughter is in itself an achievement. Kasi 'di ba sometimes parang iniisip natin, ay stay-at-home mom lang tayo, ay nanay lang tayo, chicken lang yan, wala naman ginagawa, ganyan. But parang na-realize ko na yun, parang it's also, 'di ba sinasabi nga super mom, so parang it's also hard work, parang important job in the world yan. So, as for my business, as for my taking care of my business naman, it has taught me to be more resilient, to be more confident and resourceful. So, dami kong nade-develop na skills in the business. And then, yung other learning ko naman would be on the work-life integration. So, I'm learning how to integrate my work tsaka yung personal life ko in such a way that it aligns now with my values and priorities in life. Kasi 'di ba minsan parang before work, ganyan na. So parang it has to be, 'di ba, minention natin yung work life balance. So now parang I'm able to think of strategies kung paano ko I can attain work life balance, and then I can set boundaries and be more present not only with the business but more so with our family. So lalo na my daughter because my daughter is who I consider as my greatest wife for starting my digital business. Kasi nga, I don't want to miss any of her milestones, lalo na she is in her formative years. So there, that's it for me.
Pang
Yes,
Miss
tinanong
Universe
mo
yung
kasi siya eh. Oo, sabi ko nga eh. Transformative. Yes.
Oo. Pasok ka sa top 10.
Pasok na siya sa
Yes.
top 5.
Sana top ones next.
Akala ko nga sabihin niya pa, thank you for that question.
Yes, oo.
Ay, oo nga. Na-miss ko yun.
Next time, Annie, next time.
Ang ganda, pero sobrang agree ako dun sa transformative, no? Lalo kami, we're in the business going for years and it has seen us through changing seasons in our lives, no? Sa 4 na taon na yun, ang dami
Jesus.
supporter lang ako, hindi ako contestant. Stage friend. Changing seasons in our lives, pero yung business, tuloy-tuloy pa din siya, diba? Parang nag-grow ka pa din. Of course, it's not all, all flowers and whatever, rainbows, ganyan. Pero, it's there and you're growing, it's growing for you. Ang ganda, Annie, transformative.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pag gusto
The
ko
word of the day.
it's starting to align with her values then, di ba? Yun nga na tipong maybe isa rin sa mga reasons why you chose this business is because it allows you to be a mom, it allows you to discover yourself, it allows you to be a better spouse, a better, a better parent. So all of these things talaga, it again inspires me for my own reason kung bakit ako nag-start ng business as early as now. Kasi wala pa kaming kids. Pero sabi ko, the reason I wanted to start this early is, hopefully I will have the choice later on, pag by the time na magkaanak kami ni Ian, di ba, I would have the choice to also leave my job and then just focus on my kids because I know I have a business that I can run. Di ba? So, yun.
I-add ko lang din Liz kasi na-mention ang haba na no. Pero na-mention lang din kasi yung yung value. So parang sa atin kasing mga sa atin din kasi dapat alam mo yung values mo tsaka yung mga bina-value mo talaga sa buhay kasi yung kung ano yung bina-value mo doon sa buhay mo, doon ka makakapag-desisyon eh. So yung parang yun yung basis ng decision mo. So I value my family, I value my kids yung decision ko dapat towards doon sa pag-nurture sa family ko. So for like us, we decided to venture into digital business kasi with a digital business, we can value our family and prioritize our families. Yun.
Yes, that's so nice.
There's balance.
Okay, so meron pa ba tayong additional inputs before we close this episode?
Okay na.
Ayan. Okay, so
Okay na.
there you have it.
Wala nang susunod doon. Wala nang susunod.
Wala
kila
na.
Annie. Mahirap sundan.
Mahirap itapag yung transformative tsaka yung seasons of our lives. So, di ba? Ayan. So there you have it. You've heard it from 2, actually 4 boss moms, doing this business and, doing this business side by side while still managing their households, being a better wife, a better parent, and a better version of themselves. So it makes them happy, fulfilled, accomplished, being present for their kids, for their spouses, for their families, and also still able to help provide financially, di ba? Because alam naman natin with all the right tools, the right training and support, this business is actually doable even for busy super moms like themselves. So if this is something that inspired you or if you want to hear a lot more similar stories of how moms in different parts of the world across different countries, different industries and backgrounds, kahit na they're working full-time or they're working in busy fields like engineering or medicine or sales, lahat sila, they can also make this business work. So again, if this is something that inspires you, we encourage you to check us out, follow our business pages, and follow our websites, which will be flashed at the end of this video. Ayan. Again, so maraming salamat Christine and
Thank
Annie
you, Christine and
Thank
Thank
Annie.
you for having
Thank
us.
you for
Thank you,
having
ladies.
us.
for sharing your journey as online business mentors and your experiences as moms. Ayan. So again, this is Liz, Ayin, and Luville for Weekend Bites, your go-to weekend guide for digital business and more. We hope to see you on our next episode. Have a happy
Bye.
weekend.
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye.